The 2019 Hyundai Sonata, if you want to get to the cabin filter, change it or check it, it's going to be back here behind your glove box. First step is going to be to disconnect the damper you have right here, and all you got to do is just kind of squeeze this a little bit and pull on it, okay, and it'll disconnect. And then what holds the glove box from opening up all the way is these knobs right here. You're going to turn these counterclockwise and you can pull them out. Okay, and there's one on the other side too. The glove box will fall down. Cabin filter is located in this box here. There's a tab here you need to push this way. Okay, and you'll see here that it's kind of clipped in that way. Just pull it right off. It's labeled up. And then there's your filter there, and it's labeled with an airflow marker showing it to go down. All you gotta do is just yank it out. We're gonna check this one, see if I need to order one. This one definitely needs to be replaced. This car only has, my car only has about like 10,000 miles, and look how dirty this thing is. It's pretty nuts. I'll leave a link down in the description box down below. Where I'm gonna get mine at. When you get your new one, just slide it back in there, and everything just kind of snaps right back together. That's it.